Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get limes pickled. Pickling is a fantastic way to preserve the vibrant flavor of fresh limes, making them last much longer than their usual shelf life. It's a simple process that transforms their taste, adding a unique tangy and sometimes slightly bitter note. You'll learn the essential steps, from selecting the best limes to preparing them for their flavorful transformation. Get ready to enjoy your limes in a whole new way, perfect for various culinary uses. First, let's get your limes ready. Choose about 6 to 8 fresh, firm limes with bright green skins, avoiding any soft spots or blemishes. Give them a good wash under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. Next, carefully slice each lime into quarters or even eighths, depending on how you plan to use them later. It's also a good idea to remove any visible seeds, as these can sometimes introduce an unwanted bitter taste to your delicious pickled limes. Now, for the brining process, which is crucial for preservation and flavor, you'll need to create a simple brine. For every 1 cup of water, dissolve about 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt. You can also add spices like peppercorns or bay leaves for extra flavor. Once your brine is ready, carefully pack your prepared lime pieces into a clean, sterilized glass jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. This ensures proper pickling and safety. Finally, it's time for the magic to happen. Pour your prepared brine over the packed limes, making sure all the lime pieces are completely submerged. If any float, you can use a fermentation weight to keep them down. Seal the jar tightly with a lid and store it in a cool, dark place, like a pantry, for at least 2 to 3 weeks. The limes will soften and develop a rich, tangy flavor. Once opened, store your delicious pickled limes in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.